Today we're out in Bostic doing a landscape design project. We're doing a full installation. The goal here was to really start with the yard and get it back to being grass seeded. There was a lot of weeds down, and so we wanted to clear the yard and then replant grass seed. They also had a lot of hurricane damage up front, so we wanted to get some trees and some privacy back in the yard. And so we put in a river birch. This one will be a really lovely multi-trunk with that nice canopy on it. The river birches do have that peeling bark, which you can see on the older bark at the bottom. So it'll give really good textures in the wintertime, and then it'll have really nice foliage spring through fall.
The owners wanted privacy added back in here, so we added some fragrant tea olives and recurved ligustrums. We also added some variety to the landscape, like little gem magnolias, pops of color with the gold mops, and this crabapple prairie fire, which will bloom dark pink to red flowers in the spring. The last piece of this bed was this curved natural edge around what was going to get the widest. So this will give it really good texture from grass to mulch.
One of our last pieces of this project was the customer wanted a really nice natural edge with this block. So we used the Midnight Blue block. It just gives it that nice naturalized look, more of that mountain feel. We also added some flagstone steppers. So coming off the step, they have a nice landing pad, and then we can walk to the side of the house. That way, as they walk in the mornings, they don't have to get their feet wet on the grass or walk through their mulch bed.